Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. Into it. As you can see, I'm currently on my PC device on the browser version of Amazon, and I'm going to be using this as an example. You can do pretty much the same both on mobile devices or on any other device you might have. Amazon Shopping is an application for the mobile device, and the process is pretty much the same as this one. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. As I've said, I am on the PC and I'm currently logged in to my account, so I'm going to first sign out. And once I sign out, I will be brought to the sign in window. Now, if you do not have a Amazon account, once you click on sign in, you will be brought to this window, and the process is pretty much the same from this point on. You want to just go on click create your Amazon account, and then you want to enter all of your information. You want to enter your first name, let's say Jack, or your full name, let's say for example Jack Nicholson. Write your mobile phone or number or email. I'll just write this tutorial account I have already made. Create a password, let's say some random password. This should be it, and then just click verify email. Now, once you've entered your email, you will be sent with a OTP or a one-time password. You just log in with it, and then you'll be logged into your account just as you would with your ordinary password. The next time you log off and when you try to sign in, just use your password which you set up, and everything should be cool. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.